जो काट दिए मैंने।
कितने कितने महीने लगे थे आपको हेयर ग्रो करने के लिए?
7.5 months actually, and it
नो
took
हेयर कट?
me. No haircut. I was positive. Then my helper was positive. Then I tested negative, and I was still made to sit in the house because my helper was positive. Basically, एकता मैम ने मुझे कहा था कि you have a great female fan following because of your romance, because of your chocolate boy image or something of that sort. But this show will give you a nice a male following also.
Parth Samthaan is all set to break his chocolate boy image because now he has turned hero. So ये हीरो क्या बोल रहा है पार्थ?
हीरो बहुत कुछ बोल रहा है और बोलना चाहता है शहर को, और जो 90s का दौर है वहां पर ये शहर को, छोटे शहर से आया है और एक बड़े शहर में अपनी एक पहचान बनाना चाहता है, अपनी एक इमेज बनाना चाहता है और दिखाना चाहता है दुनिया को कि वो कौन है और क्या बोलना चाह रहा है।
So, ये बताइए कि जब ये कॉन्सेप्ट, जब ये न्यूज आउट हुई थी कि पार्थ इज गोइंग टू टर्न गैंगस्टर, तो काफी सारे लोगों के अलग अलग रिएक्शंस आए थे। ऑब्वियसली आपके फैंस एक्साइटेड थे, लेकिन कुछ ये भी थे कि यार ये तो रोमांटिक हीरो है, ये गैंगस्टर क्यों बन रहा है? तो आपको पर्सनली कितने लोगों ने रीच आउट किया टू नो कि कितनी सच्चाई है इसमें और सच में गैंगस्टर बन रहे हो?
सच, ऑफ कोर्स सच में गैंगस्टर। मतलब आप ट्रेलर तो दिखा चुका हो, आपके ट्रेलर में पिक्चर भी दिखाओ क्या?
नहीं उस टाइम
एक्चुअली
पे।
सच में, या ऑफ कोर्स। इनफैक्ट मुझे याद है जब एकता मैम ने मुझे कॉल किया था सबसे शुरुआत में, लाइक शी वाज लाइक के अगर ये रोल कंप्लीटली ऑपोजिट ऑफ व्हाटएवर यू हैव डन एंड इट विल कंप्लीटली ब्रेक द इमेज, वो जो अनुराग वाला गुड बॉय है या लवर बॉय है, या that will completely break that image and grow you as an actor, which obviously I respect today because she had that vision and today you can see the results.
Right.
And of course I worked somewhere towards the character. मैंने देखा कि 90s की मैंने फिल्में देखी, मैंने पिक्चर किताबें पढ़ी, so it was very interesting. और उस दौर इनफैक्ट you get to know कि जो लोग थे, जो बेसिकली अंडरवर्ल्ड लोग थे, they are not just धमकी देने वाले या गुस्सा होने वाले लोग. They were there to even use their brains. They were there to even plan and act accordingly. तो दिमाग भी बहुत था, तभी वो लोग वहां थे जहां उनको होना चाहिए. So yeah.
Okay, other than reading and watching films, what Parth has personally done to yourself? I mean, physically, वो transformation लाने के लिए, क्योंकि इस innocent face को आपको वो seriousness भी लानी थी.
Well, to be honest, एक तो एक कॉस्ट्यूम आपको बहुत मदद करता है. जब आप एक बार कॉस्ट्यूम हो उस दौर का या किसी भी वो कैरेक्टर का, तो आपको मदद मिल जाती है कि आप उस दौर में पहुंच चुके हो. बी इट हाई बूट्स और बेल बॉटम्स और लॉन्ग हेयर, द लुक बेसिकली. और फिर उसके बाद मुझे एक तो भाषा पे काम करनी थी, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि 90s का वो जो भाई लोगों का जो भाषा है, अपू नारेला है और वो जारेला है, वो भाषा को इनकॉर्पोरेट करना था. तो शुरुआत में बहुत डिफिकल्ट था, क्योंकि पैरेलली तब शूट भी चल रहा था and I had to speak like proper Hindi and then come out and then come here and speak Bhai language. And then but once after COVID when we resumed shooting, तब एकदम स्मूथ था, क्योंकि तब नॉन स्टॉप हम लोग यही शूट कर रहे थे. और बाय द टाइम 10th डे पे आई रियलाइज्ड आई गॉट द रिदम, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है हर एक्टर को एटलीस्ट 1 महीना लगता है वो रिदम में आने के लिए, वो बीट ट्यून पकड़ने के लिए. और एक बार पकड़ लिया तो आप फिर यू डोंट नीड टू लाइक रिहर्स और यू डोंट नीड टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ. आपको जो लाइंस दी गई आपको पता है कैरेक्टर वाला बैठने वाला है. सो या
आपने अपने हेयर को भी काफी ग्रो किया है, लुक को थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट बनाने के लिए पार्थ से.
जो काट दिए मैंने.
कितने कितने महीने लगे थे आपको हेयर ग्रो करने के लिए?
7.5 months actually, and it
No
took
haircut.
me no haircut, and in fact I realized that was the longest I've grown in my life. And I was just checking, and then I realized जब भी कहीं बाहर जाना होता था, apart from shoots, like कहीं बाहर जाना, get ready and all, I used to take like good 1 hour to get ready, which I never did. And then I realized कि time क्यों लेती है. Now I know कि जब बाल लंबे होते तो क्या क्या होता है, क्या क्या करना पड़ता है.
Okay, there were reports कि आपका जो कैरेक्टर है, it is more of Abu Salim. How true is that? ये उनसे इंस्पायर्ड है या उनकी कहानी, ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इट्स नॉट ट्रू, इट्स नॉट इवन इंस्पायर्ड. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि ऐसे बहुत सारे किरदार है, इनफैक्ट 2 या 3 किरदार है जिनके साथ ऐसे मिक्स करके एक इंस्पायर्ड कैरेक्टर बनाया है. सो और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर है, इनफैक्ट बहुत ही कलरफुल है. एंड कुछ भी ऐसा कहीं आपको लगेगा नहीं है कि ये मतलब कुछ ज्यादा ही अत्याचार कर रहा है या इनजस्टिस कर रहा है या समथिंग समथिंग. बट यार ही इज देयर. आई वुडंट से रॉबिन हुड आल्सो, कि जो बेसिकली करता है वो वैसा भी नहीं है. ही इज इन हिज ओन वर्ल्ड and he just wants to conquer the city, he just wants to rule the city, and he has his own plans and methods to do it.
A lot of film and series have already been made on this topic. I mean, like gangster, because Mumbai is also known for this one particular thing. So did you take any sort of inspiration from any of our Bollywood actors, you know, who have already done justice to such characters on screen?
Yeah, in fact 90s की era में, like for example Sanjay Dutt साहब, so I had seen couple of films and जहाँ पर how he portrayed Vastav, for that matter, Company I'd watched Satya.
Okay.
So a lot of reference के तौर पर जो basically राम गोपाल वर्मा सर के जो eras थे, जो कंपनी और सत्या ये सब आए थे. So that was a good realistic approach for me to watch it. And वही देखना था कि बम्बई कैसा था उस दौर की, भाषा कैसी थी, वो लोग पहनते कैसे थे कपड़े, कैसे उठते थे, कैसे बैठते थे, तो वो सीखने को बनता था. बस शुरुआत संजय दत्त साहब, फिर सुनील शेट्टी, फिर ऐसी कर करके लोगों को देखा मैंने उस दौर पर. कंपनी एंड
ऑलमोस्ट सारे एक्टर्स को आपने रेफरेंस के तौर पे हर किसी को रीड करने की कोशिश की है.
क्योंकि जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि ये फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर है, तो आई हैड टू लाइक जस्ट मेक श्योर कि मैं दौर का लगूं. तो आई वांटेड टू मेक श्योर कि जो चीजें नुआंसेस मुझे कहीं से क्या क्या मिलता है, आई कैन टेक इट.
Okay, tell me honestly your reaction when you saw yourself as gangster on screen. मतलब शूट के वक्त तो आपको आइडिया लग ही जा रहा होगा कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, बट जब फाइनल आउटकम आया, जब टीजर या प्रोमो या फर्स्ट टाइम आपने देखा, so what was Parth's reaction towards Nawab?
To be honest, मैं ज्यादा उम्मीद रखता हूँ नहीं. I don't expect too much, but after seeing the trailer, I actually felt like it's a film, and a lot of, in fact, friends also asked me कि it's a film or a web because it looks like a film. And yeah, पूरा मसाला था उसमें, and look wise it was very different because yesterday only one of my close friend told me कि like I asked her, tell me honestly कि what do you think, and she said कि you don't even look 1% of what you are in real life to the, which is very very commendable. I know you since so long and still I can't relate you to that because you look so different. So that is commendable that you worked towards the character. So that for me was like I took that as a.
Parth, in the series you are saying कि आप इस शहर में आए हो कुछ conquer करने के लिए. If I ask you when you came to Mumbai, you know what were your set of goals in this city? You wanted to become an actor, turn
No.
a daily soap hero?
No, nothing. In fact, when I came to Mumbai, to be honest, I wanted to study architecture, and that's what I did. I architecture and I studied architecture, and while I was studying architecture, I started getting a couple of offers from there, and you know how it goes. Like when you found in that area, for example, or a coffee shop or a restaurant or anything, and someone on the other sees you or something or the other, and then from there you get calls for something, and then you're like, okay, fine, you know what, you got a call, let's try it out, let's see how it goes. So that time I had no intention कि क्या करना है, कैसा करना है, पर तभी पढ़ाई पे ज्यादा ये था. बट हाँ, बचपन से ऐसा था कि नहीं एक्टर बनना है या कुछ करना है. It's just that कि coming from an outside world, basically I don't have anyone in this field, so was a tough, because किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है, and हर जगह you need someone that you know of that can help you, guide you towards direction. So वो नहीं था. But yeah, somehow I found my own path. Parth found his own path, and he started his journey. Yeah.
We also heard that after making everybody entertain on television and then now OTT, you're also heading towards Bollywood now. How true is that?
Well, let's see. Hopefully, it is true, and I shall be shooting this year itself, and really excited. Fingers crossed. But yeah, still under the if I would say pre-production, that is the
हाँ.
word I would,
अच्छा.
and it's there. So let's see. And you know how it is for an outsider to come, everything should fall in place. Be
Yeah.
it the director, the music director, or everything should be nice. I mean,
Hmm.
it should sound. You get that one good opportunity you don't want to miss out on. So I want to give my 100% towards it, and I want to make sure that everything works out well. So yeah, hoping for the best. Especially unfortunately during COVID, everything is getting pushed.
Pushed.
So
Yeah.
जो भी वो next month हो रही है, next month है वो अगले महीने हो रही है. So everyone is relying on June, July, August के कैसा दिखता है, cases कम हो रहे हैं कि
हाँ.
then we
हाँ.
can work.
Okay. Situation of the pandemic is again getting worse, especially in the state. And you are someone who have already experienced this COVID last year. So how much more care are you taking of yourself, and how that whole thing was when you actually contracted with that dangerous virus?
Well, it was, to be honest, it wasn't that stressful or anything because I recovered the very next day. But yes, there were so many people that I heard of that actually were very severe in that case. Uh, but yeah, I remember that it was more of a mental torture because of the people, and that time it was very new, and people were
Hmm.
like zapped, surprised, and shocked,
Hmm.
and know how to receive it, or no one knew how to take it. But today, fortunately, we all are aware of it,
Right.
and
Right.
we all have even gotten back to our work lives, everything. And it's just that unfortunately the cases have come back. The second wave is there. That's what people say. And now we still have to figure it out. I mean, vaccine is the solution for it, and we're still
Yeah.
waiting for our chance to come. Thankfully, my parents have taken it, so yeah, that way I'm secured, and that is the precaution I'm taking. Yeah, my most like obviously your most precious people, you want them to be secured. So that is what we are doing. And yeah, I mean, as much as I can stay at our homes, that's what we're doing.
You rightly said, that time when the COVID wave started, there was a mental torture by the society. People used to look towards you in a certain way. So did you had to face any of this while you were contracted with the virus?
I had to face any of, as in, I didn't understand.
Any obstacle from the society when you were tested positive for COVID?
No, actually, it was funny. In fact, my society was also against this thing because there's this hell lot of confusion over there that I was positive, then my helper was positive, then I tested negative, and I was
Hmm.
still made to sit in the house because my helper was positive, which is not safe. My doctor clearly suggested that if you are negative and your guy is positive, you
Huh.
shouldn't be staying.
In the
To
same
which
flat.
the society didn't understand. They thought, no, if one person is positive, the entire family should stay in the house itself.
Oh,
So they
acha,
went.
okay.
So it was just basically lack of knowledge that people in today's world, and it's very unfortunate. I mean, a lot of educated people I've seen
Huh.
during COVID
Hmm.
treating you as an animal or treating you as an alien to the uneducated ones, like the
Right.
normal, like the normal people, like your helper, your caretaker, your servant, or your, for example, your watchman, your security. They are the ones who are treating things very maturely, but it's the educated people, unfortunately, who have like been very stuck up on being
Yeah.
very this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, ये इससे क्या होगा, इससे क्या होगा, इससे होगा. I mean, you need to calm yourselves out. I'm not saying that it's not a serious thing. It is a serious thing, but you
Hmm.
need to calm yourself. You need to act maturely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which,
That's true. But you have a strong fan base, and that is something which is not hidden to the world. Tell me, even if you are on air on the screen and not, how do you maintain to be, that favorite of fans?
how do I maintain? Well, I don't know. I mean, how do I maintain? Like, I just try to be myself, and that's what I believe. I've never been someone who would like to impress or like reach out to people. I've always been myself. I've always been into my own world, and people. In fact, a lot of people like that. They like my honesty, and they
Hmm.
like how I am. I am with people, with friends, with even fans for that matter, and they always make sure that I always, if they approach me, I always entertain them. I always talk to them, have a conversation with them. So yeah, that is something I think that acts up well for me. Apart from that, gym to hai maintain karne ke liye.
Good one. वैसे पार्थ अब क्योंकि now you're playing a gangster, मतलब a character which is something you have not played before. What are your expectations as an actor? आपको लगता है कि अब इसके बाद लोग पार्थ को एक दूसरी कैटेगरी में भी इमेजिन करेंगे?
Of course. जैसे कि मैंने कहा शुरुआत में, जो बेसिकली एकता मैम ने मुझे कहा था कि you have a great female fan following because of your romance, because of your chocolate boy image or something of that sort. But this show will give you a nice a male following also. This is a very massy and a gangster and a boyish show.
Okay.
So in fact मुझे याद है, I'm not used to this, like कसौटी में और यारिया में हमेशा शो पे एटलीस्ट 4-5 मेरे को-एक्टर्स थे जो फीमेल्स थे. वो आदत हो गई थी. बट इस शो पे मतलब मुश्किल से हमें एक सीन में सिर्फ या तो लैला आती थी, या एक सीन में मनस्वी आती थी, या एक सीन में ऐसे बस एक ही सीन में, बाकी 10 सीन में सिर्फ लड़के ही हैं, लड़के. That's where I realized, you know what, this is a men's world, and it's a different approach, and I'm really looking forward to how do you say, the male society of this society should watch the show and my work, as they have liked the other gangsters as well throughout since 2000. So yeah, I think I should I hope I do justice to those roles. Yeah.
Your chemistry with Patruleka, how was the experience?
It was nice. It was lovely. It was very cordial, and I remember we started off because we didn't get time, unfortunately, during COVID to like work out on the scenes. But once we got into it, like I said, it's on the 6th or 7th day, then you get the hang of it. It was nice. This was all the romantic scenes. We used to make sure that it takes time because it's important. It's important part. It's not a normal scene. The feel has to be there. So yeah, overall it was very good.
Okay. Thank you so much, Parth. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much. Same here, Neeki. Lovely talking to you. Cheers.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.